If you're a business owner and want to know how to maximize the efficiency of QuickBooks, our years of experience can help you achieve that and more by guiding you away from financial pitfalls that most businesses fall into when doing their own accounting. Whether you're just getting started with QuickBooks or you've been using it for years, we can help by assessing your business's unique financial needs to make sure you are maximizing every penny by preventing or fixing mistakes that can end up costing you lots of time and money. Misclassifying expenses and deductions can cost you in tax savings and, even worse, trigger an audit. Every business owner needs to save as many dollars as they can to invest back into their business's growth and prosperity. Some business owners believe that by using QuickBooks, they save money by removing the need for a professional accounting service. While QuickBooks can do many things to help your small business keep track of your expenses and income, it's not going to provide tax planning or answers to questions about the changing tax laws or how to best minimize your tax liabilities. As your accountants, this is what we specialize in and do best. Our services are designed to save you time, hassle, and money while making sure that your business runs more smoothly, giving you the peace of mind and prosperity to enjoy life. Let us show you how we can make your life easier, more productive, and efficient with our QuickBooks Assistance Program. Give us a call to schedule a QuickBooks evaluation or simply fill out our online form and we'll get back to you quickly.